Alright, so I've got this microwave here. It's actually still in a decent condition on the outside, but on the inside it's a bit rusty in here. You can see the track here, it's very rusty, so got some rust damage on here on the inside as well. Yeah, like I think here at the bottom as well, if you lift it up, oh yeah, there's some rust there as well. So I'm gonna fix that rust and stuff, but I'm thinking as well now, because my kitchen has mostly grey appliances, I might as well touch up the white here and this plastic covering here at the front as well. Maybe make it grey. Alright, so it seems to be working. So yeah, what I got in here is the good old tried and tested method. I call it the noodle test. So I'm just going to see how it is, and then once I'm done, I'm going to redo the noodle test. Nice. Got some of that Durban curry noodles. The bomb. It's a bit wet, but let's just give it a shot. No, honestly, it's not too bad. Alright, so for this microwave, I got a few things. I got some sandpaper here, just to sand off the rust on the inside, as well as just the paint on the outside, just to make the paint stick a bit easier. I also got a scraper. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this on this project, but I'm happy I got it, because this would have helped a lot in the previous video with the braai. So I just got it in case I ever need a scraper. Then as for spray, I got this Spray Mates microwave spray paint. So this is actually meant to go inside your microwave. So I got this for the inside of the microwave. Then also I was advised to use this primer there that goes onto metal. This, especially inside the microwave, I heard if you don't use this that it will work for a while and then your paint will come off. So I just got this primer. So yeah, and then I also got a plastic primer. So it's a grey plastic primer. This is for the microwave door, because the microwave door is plastic. So I'm gonna need to prime that. And then I got two of these. It's like a metallic finish spray paint, a dark grey, which would fit well with the other appliances in my kitchen. And then also some masking tape. I'll just have a look, maybe take it apart and actually see what I'm working with here. Alright, so I'm not going to touch anything here on the inside, just to show you. There's some stuff there that I have no clue what's going on there. But yeah, I'm not going to touch anything on the inside. Maybe I'll clean up a bit here. Oh wow, you can actually see through there. Let's see if I can get this door off, because that's actually what I want to do. Yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna get this door off. I have no idea how that works. It's time for the metallic spray paint. It's a dark grey spray paint. It's gonna fit nice with my fridge. Alright, so I figured out how to get the door off the microwave. My brother got a welder, so I've just been practicing there. So maybe I can make a cool video maybe about that. Yeah. Time for our good old noodle test on the newly restored microwave. I've got it in there for about 2-3 minutes now. So yeah, let's check it out. Alright, let me check. Oh no. No, it's not working at all right now. I did have a fear that me working with it and sanding it maybe did loosen a fuse or whatnot. So yeah, it looks pretty now, but it doesn't really work. So I'm just quickly gonna check the fuse and yeah. Alright, so usually when you have a microwave that is not heating and but it still looks like it's working, the light turns on, everything turns, it has the noises associated with a microwave, but it just isn't heating. It's usually the the fuse that blew or broke. So the fuse I'm talking about is not this one here at the top. It's not this one here that looks a bit like ceramic. The fuse I'm talking about is the one here. It's usually encased in this casing here. I'll take that off. So if you check here, it has a little wire in the middle, like a spring, and it disconnected. You see. So what you need to do is you can get these fuses at your hardware store. So you just get another one like those and replace it, and then it should work fine. So I'm going to replace mine now, and then we can give it another test. Oh yes, you can even see it looks a lot better. Looks like spaghetti. Let me just have a taste. Oh yes, definitely. That's much better. It tastes straight up like spaghetti. I would highly advise redoing your microwave. It has great effect on the noodle taste.